Hi there, David here from MarbleRenovation.com. I'm just at a job at the moment that someone has spilt a load of acid on the floor and it's left a real horrible etch stain. And you can also see it's eating away at the resin in between the tiles and the terrazzo. So I'm just gonna turn and show you what I'm talking about. So you can see here on the floor, it's quite an old terrazzo floor this. It's some flats up in Leicester Square, and yeah, I've been called in because somebody's left some kind of liquid on the floor, and it's eaten away at the surface. You can see quite clearly actually, if you put your hands on the floor, it's quite rough, and you can see the colour, it's whitened, so it's kind of really eaten away at the resin in between the stone. You can see a difference in colour in the background here to there. So really, to remove it, we're going to have to grind down as far as it's been etched, and then bring the colours back. So we'll see how we get on. So as you can see, we've managed to take the stain out. It's come out completely. I've had to go over it a few times. I've gone to the lowest grit that we've got, which is about 100 grit, and then worked my way up slowly. Gone to a 200. 400, 800, and then I think we finished off with a 1,500, and then we polished it up, and it's all come off now. You can see it had really eaten into the floor, into the resin, but we've managed to get it all back up.